Hello, trading is closed on October 1st, 2020. Let's do our disclaimer. Go over our calls. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, October 2. Trade at your own risk. Here's my email. Review yesterday's pattern is negative. We said unless we gapped up and took out this high fast, lower prices should print. We gapped up and took out the high fast, so no call for today. So far we hit a new high, closed under all these relative highs. It's a negative pattern, shows a rejection of the high. Still possible to invalidate it by gapping and taking this high out early. So it's a negative pattern. Other side of the coin is we have a higher MEJT target, which is positive. Here's what we said. So we gap and overtake the high early, look for lower prices. Tomorrow's the early high. Here's our trading patterns for next week. Well, during the day, MEJT said this drop was false, so we retraced. We haven't gotten all the way there. Targets to overtake this high. Long-term count hasn't changed. We're still not certain it's the right one. The new high didn't change any of these relationships. If this is a top here, you'd expect it to have an impulsive move down. I'm not seeing it, but it's possible that could morph into something else. I mean, this could always be a 1, this is a 2 or something. But until we start moving down with conviction, we can't be certain it's the right idea. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early high. We could gap down. Typically, it's a rally day with a final hour high. Failure is a straight line drop. We have a higher target. Unless we gap down, it's favored to print. Can't rule such a gap out, as we've still been unable to clear recent highs, and the wave count is compatible with the rally leg ending. Now the employment report comes out tomorrow before the open, tends to move the market. I'm always flat going into it. If you're a short-term trader, I certainly would consider being flat until you see the response to that report. So we do have a higher target, but if this doesn't fall early, it should be a negative day. Typically, it's a rally day. But if it isn't, look for a straight line drop. I suspect after the employment report comes out, which is before the open, we'll know which of those two alternatives to expect, and that's today's call.